Alrighty, g'day everyone. Hope everyone's well. Quick sound check. There you go, I'm on. Impromptu stream, folks, and even on Friday. Hey Max, g'day Kelvin. Hamish. Yeah, it's evening, it's nearly 4:30 here. Hey Joseph. I just got back from the gym, had my shake. I feel good, just checking the markets. G'day Jenny. Uncle Sam, Adrian, Morecat, anyone else I've missed. So folks, let's quickly go through. I'm just going to do an update. All right, I'm not going to go through the risk on, but go back and have a look at the macro and you'll see markets are still pushing, due for a pullback, but they're still pushing. And just remember too, it's pre-London, so things can change. But let's just go through the watch list and I'll update this while we're on, okay? So one of the ones that's just triggered, which is pushing nicely. So welcome anyone that's new as well. So this is not my regular stream, folks, so it's going to be pretty quick. Yeah, thanks, Jenny. All right, so dollar Singapore. Let's do New Zealand yen first, all right? Because this is just triggered. So we're looking for a push through here. And you can see on the 4 hour it's triggered. All right, so this is looking pretty good. So that's it there, the second one. New Zealand short. All right, so we're looking for a breakthrough here. We've got a head and shoulders. All right. So we're looking for a consolidation or a continuation entry. So there's the pullback. Pretty good. So the entry was through there, or even through the low. Now, so if you miss this, you got no choice but to look for a lower time frame pullback in here. Okay, here's the 20. There's a beautiful pullback. So there's the initial target. But the others are here. All right, so that's underway. All right, so that's that one there. New Zealand yen. Okay, g'day Rico. Spirit. Adnan. Trader VR. Farley. Thanks, Hamish. Good to see you too. So that's that one. Dollar Singapore. Dollar Singapore, we're looking for a short. This hasn't actually triggered yet. And it looks like there's a bit of maybe early dollar. Yeah, there we go. Look, okay, so we've got a little bit of US dollar strength. So it's tagged the 20, but didn't want to see this sort of strength. Wanted to see this continue short. Well, the weekly trend is up. All right, so the dollar. Let's have a look at the dollar pairs. Dollar CAD. Okay, there we go. So strength in dollar CAD. I'd like want to put that one on, but you can see on the daily here, it says daily still down. We've got our classic V reversal consolidation in here. So if you like this one, wait for it in this region. But I'm not. It's not a B grade. It's not an A grade. It's not an A or a B grade. It's a C grade. Dollar Swiss doing nothing. Okay, dollar Chinese 1. There we go. We like this short. Long, sorry. So there it is there. So that was the level through here. So that's on the list. So there's your target up here. So this one's moved above the anchor. So look for shorter term entries through here. If not, look for it to pull back here and tack this. So that's good. That one's moving. Hey, Calvin. Yeah, fair enough. Dollar yen. So we can see there's a little bit of dollar Mexican. Okay, we can see there's a little bit of US dollar strength. It's genuine. There you go, dollar Norwegian. Dollar Swedish. We can see that there's a little bit, it's genuine. All right, so this one here, dollar Singapore. counter trend short. We're looking for it to pop again, pop this bottom of the distribution here. Look. And our preference was attacking this low again. All right. So you can see this is about to be removed as invalid. And there were the targets. So we're just basically looking for it to pull in here, come down, squeeze into there, and then move. Okay, there you go, dollar Thai baht. So US strength. Excuse me. Dollar South African rand. Okay, it's broken the anchor here. That's not a bad little bottoming pattern here either. Excuse me. Not a bad little bottoming pattern. So look for this to continue. And when I say counter trend, the moves we're looking for, some of these counter trends, just back to the 20. So I bet Euro is probably not really moving. Or I was going to say, or it's short, going short. Okay. So Euro's moved into a retracement area. It's tagging the 200, getting rejected from there. So that's dollar Singapore, New Zealand yen. Bitcoin's the other one that we liked this morning. So Bitcoin, looking for it to continue long on the daily. Here's the 4 hour. All right, want to see it into this level. This is the key level. All right, so it's pushing nicely now. One more pullback, and then through that would be enough to take the break through there. Okay, Bitcoin 4 hour. That's what we like about this. Dollar Chinese we did. Euro pound. So this is still continuing. Hasn't given us an entry. We're looking for a pullback in here. All right. Hasn't given it. That's okay. Could be good for short-term trades. Euro pound. Euro Oz. Okay, there we go. That's triggered. Beautiful. All right, this is a great one. No, I missed this. I was at the gym. Okay. All right, so this was the level. Beautiful cut with handle. Look. You can delay your stream now, Max. So this was it. Like, there's our ABC. Here's the 20. Breakthrough here or breakthrough here. This is off. This is terrific. All right, there's the target. Euro Oz. So I don't know whether there's anyone still from Asia this morning, but this is kind of 15, 16 pips from the target. This is pretty good. It's going 40. It's going 46, 47. This is pretty good. So go back and have a look this morning. You'll see this one. This is good. This is triggered. So I hope a few people from today are in this. Euro Oz. Okay, platinum. Yeah, very good, Calvin. Platinum, looking for this back up here. No, not here yet. So keep moving on. Aussie, New Zealand. Have a feeling that Aussie's weak. Yeah, there we go. All right, so this is kind of invalidated again now. So I'm going to remove this. Remove that from the list. Removing a dollar Singapore as well. All right, so the trade idea is open. Gold long from yesterday. G'day, Grim. Okay, gold long. That was the target. All right, a few of you got this overnight. Let's push. If you've taken profit where I said here, then you can probably hold the stop here But if you haven't taken anything, you're gonna that was the original stop. If you haven't taken anything, you're probably gonna have to hold this. We want to see how it reacts back here. All right, that was all we're after. This move here. So that's worked well. All right, Euro New Zealand was another one. Sorry, Euro New Zealand from today was closed out. So that was a nice push down there, up here. Well, there you go. And we said we're looking for another setup if possible. Well, that's moved too. So notice Euro weak. It's not Euro weakness. It's New Zealand weakness. This is pushing this one. Okay, so this one here is good for. I had the nice pullback on the 4 hour. This one could be good for shorter term trades as well. So be mindful of the high there. So this is good. So we're actually getting a bit of nice movement. All right, couple that are still open. Dow 30. Okay, this is pretty good. What about you, Jenny, on this one? You're still going on this? Well, it's a nice little base through here. About a pop up here. I said this was the original stop. Just had a feeling if this can't move, I had a feeling this was going to fail. So I said bring the stop in here. Right, so that's still good. Some big moves on those. DAX. DAX is the other. Now, watch DAX on the open. Just be careful where this is. This is extended territory. Look. Right, so you can see it's holding here. Here's our stop from all the way back here. DAX not in pre-market, is it? Yeah, it is. Okay, the only way I'd be interested in DAX when it gets back up here. All right, so this is the 60-minute chart. If it starts to make a move here, you can get some short-term ones in there. But if you're looking for a swing trade for a couple of hours, it's got to be around this region here. So you probably won't get that in the time. So there we go, DAX. Well, that's it, folks. That's our list. That's updated. Very good. How long was that? That was pretty quick. Any quick markets, folks, you want me to have a look at? So far so good. New Zealand yen can go down here now. And Euro Aussie have triggered. Hamish, Euro dollar. All right, so that's good. There's a couple triggered there. Dollar Chinese getting near it, I think. Excuse me. Okay, Euro dollar. Daily anchors right up here. It's had a reasonable move through the 200. Well, you can see it's tagged the 200 on the 4 hour though. Uptrending environment on the 4 hour. Well, let's have a look at the swings. Okay, that's third wave. Let me drop down. Okay, 1, 2. Yeah, I still like this long. All right, so do it on a 60. That'll be ample. So here's the 4-hour anchor. All right, so this is the 4-hour uptrend anchor. Let's tag the 200. So what we want to see. Want to see it hold the 20 here. So look for a bounce through here. We've got to see it push through here to maintain the bullish scenario. Otherwise, the only way I'd be interested is through here short. Now we're talking a 4-hour time frame, so that's 27 pips away. Same with a 60-minute here. Right, it could even move reasonably quick. Back in an area where I expect euro dollar to pull in. So there's that 4-hour 200. See how well it's respected that. So unless we get V reversal price action through here and attack the 60-minute anchor here, we have to assume that the bearish momentum is going to continue. All right, right at the 200 on the 15-minute. Okay, here's the 20. All right, wait for it to pull back into the 20 and give you another entry short. Well, certainly a bit of strength here. Okay, so we've got Frankfurt open, got volume coming in. So if you're looking at 15-minute and smaller, look for this to pull back into this region and fail. Okay, so we've got our 3 white soldiers into the 20 on the 5-minute. Could even fail a bit earlier here. Let's be careful how the 15's extended. But if you get a valid setup, so not far to the low though. So maintain your bearish bias. It just needs to wash off this extension. Euro dollar. It's not bad. So it's not that good. We're just sort of going counter trend here. So I'd expect it to bounce in this area anyway. That's not ideal. British pound on the other hand, I like. There we go. It's cleaner. Oh, it's right at the low, so we've already tested this low. So I could mill around here forever. Well, not forever, but for ages. Alright, so 60 minutes already tagged that support. Done it in sharp fashion. It's a reasonable shorter term entry there. It's all well and good in hindsight. So just be careful of this. British pound. Okay, this is S&P futures. This is ES. Nearing the top of the channel on the daily. 4 hours pretty good. We looked at this. It's losing a little bit of momentum, but we have to assume the trend is up. Nice pullback through here. That was the previous break we looked at. Retested the break zone with an ABC entry through there. Got another one through there. If you like this one, bias is up. Look for price action around there. Right, so we could get that would be okay. Look for entry through there. All right. Not bad. Sorry about the noise from the neighbours. All right, there we go. Look at that, Jenny. You know what I'm looking at here. That's good area to bounce from. S&P. CAD yen, and then we'll go. CAD yen was one of those that did its move. Was overdue. So this is our fifth wave through here, third, fourth, fifth. So I'm still expecting the ABC through here back to the previous fourth. So that's the bigger picture view. Yeah, Jenny. So 4 hour, nice little topping structure here. So downtrending on the 4 hour. Nice pullback here, not overly deep. Would have preferred maybe another swing in here, multi-leg, get through there, but it is what it is. It's pulled back. There's no major support in its way here. Okay, there's the 60-minute anchor. So there's two of them, so it's through this one. CAD yen. All right, we've got a bit of a flat 20 here. Want to see this kick over. So maybe another bar. And perhaps up. And look for continuation shorts in this region. Just be careful with this. It could have a tendency just to snap back up and hold in here. All right, so there's the anchor on the 60-minute. So we had a nice break, pull back inside. So look for some sort of giveaway here on the 15-minute. There we go. That's not bad. Just wait and see how it plays out in here. Even the 5-minute, look for it up in this region here. See, something like this, that's not bad. We've got an ABC as a flat in there. Want to see something like this in here on the 15-minute. any excuse to get in, legitimate excuse. So the trend is down. It's not bad. It's just got a little bit of an appearance of a V reversal here, so be careful with that one. I think there's probably better opportunity. CAD Swiss. Alright, that's off. CAD Swiss is pretty good. Okay, so there's the daily anchor. Continued. So you might be better with this one. Just broke a little range, so it's been testing that major support. Yeah, nice push. Same thing, look for a pullback in here. Look to get short in here. So it's CAD weakness. So there you go, CAD Singapore as well. So CAD weakness. So there we go, folks. All right, so quick review of our watch list from Friday. So 2 of these have triggered beautifully now. So I hope you got on those. Dollar Chinese 1. It's moving into an area. So could be a little bit of action. So there we go, folks. Have a good weekend. Thanks for your company. Bit of an impromptu stream. So I thought there was a couple of good opportunities that we could look at. So there we go. All right, folks. Let's go out to Blue Steel. Take care, everyone. Trade safe. Bye for now.